Nahrawan. You find even before this there was a moment of generosity. That's when Imam Hussain asked the teacher. He said to the teacher called Abu Abdurrahman al-Salami, teach my son how to recite Quran. When that teacher finished reciting Quran, teaching the kid how to recite Quran, Imam al-Hussain saw his son saying Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Imam got so much pearls and clothes and he gave it to the teacher. People came and said, Abu Abdullah, all this person did was teach your son how to recite Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, and you give him this much hadiyah? To which he replied, what I give him is never enough because of the person who teaches my son how to mention Allah's name. It can never be enough. That person taught my son Bismillah, whatever I give him is not enough. Then on top